In this video, let's see how you can design a dynamic pivot table in Encarta. So here I have a region as a row column in pivot table. I can also include state, for example. I can also include city. Let's say you have 3 of these columns here and we are showing sales by year. But once you save it and publish this to your business users, they may come back to you and say, I don't want city here. Maybe I want to see different stores in the state. And then maybe I want to do it by store, category, and product here, right? So they want to change this column dynamically. How do you do that? So let's do this in Encarta using presentation variable. So we'll play with only 3 columns here. So I'll create 3 presentation variable for that. So let's call it column 1. And let's create some values for this. So we will have region, state, city, department, category, product, and last one dash you will see in a minute why I'm adding that there. Now let's save this and let's add 3 more columns, 3 more presentation variable like this. Okay, so I have added 2 more here, column 2 and column 3, 2 more presentation variable. And default value for first one here is region, second one is state, and third one here is city. Let's save this. Now idea here is based on what value a business user will select, that value will show up in the column 1 here, and same thing applies for these 2 columns as well. Now let's configure these columns to honor these values that user selects. So let's go back here, clear all, and we'll use a formula to do this. Okay, so this is the formula I'm using, right? Depending on what value you have for column 1, Encarta will return a particular field from the selected business schema here. Let's quickly save this and validate this. So here, if I change anything, it should show me that here, right? Category. If I want to show store, it will show me store here. Awesome. Let's change this also. For example, if I select store, I want to see store here. So to do that, all I need to do is $, and save it. So this is also changing. Now all I need to do next is take this and repeat this for other 2 columns as well. So now I have let's replace P column 1 with column 2, and everything else should remain the same. Let's save this, and this should be $P column 2, and let's add last formula here, and let's replace this with P column 3. Now let's test it. Okay, so let's do by region, state, and city. So I can select region from here, and state is already selected and city is already selected. Okay, let's say I only want to do this by region and city. So in that case, I can, let's try this. Now this is only region and city, right? So it's looking like this, but still I'm able to do this. Maybe you want to like select this here, and then you want to select region from here, or maybe state from here, state and city. So at least user can download this, and then they have other options, right? So there are so many various permutation combination you can use. Maybe I want to just focus on store, department, and category. So I can select store, department, and category. Or maybe category should be first here. Let's select category and then department. So within food category, you have different department, and you can see by this.